Hello and welcome to Meditate with Me series, where I guide you in various meditations and we can simply sit together. Today is a special one as it's International Day of Peace, and I thought it would be great to do loving-kindness meditation, specifically for peace in the world and within ourselves. So as always, you can find a comfortable position, sit down, you can lie down, wherever you are. I hope you find this meditation helpful. And once you found the comfortable position, feel free to close your eyes. That's usually the way I like to meditate. It helps me turn inwards. It's also okay to just turn the gaze downwards and relax the eyes. And in loving kindness meditation, we simply repeat certain phrases, and if the phrases I'm using are not helpful to you, you can just use your own. You can decide not to follow and just simply listen. So feel free to adjust what I'm saying to your own needs. And just to start, take a few deep breaths. Letting the body relax, the mind calm down. Noticing the body, its position in space, perhaps how the feet are touching the ground, the sensations in the feet, in the legs. If you're sitting, noticing how you're touching the seat. Letting the body be heavy and relaxed. And for a moment, just staying with the body sensations, maybe with your favorite anchor. It could be the breath, it could be the sounds, it could be the body sensation in a specific area like hands or feet. Just getting a bit quieter, letting the mind settle, letting the body relax. We'll start the loving kindness meditation directing the words of peace, well-being, harmony towards ourselves. And you can repeat the words quietly in your mind or just listen. Let these words sink in. Sometimes it's even helpful to put the hand on the chest so that the words come into the body as well through the warmth of the hand. They sink into the heart. So you can do so if that's comfortable to you. May you be safe and secure. May you be peaceful in body, mind and heart. May you be free from inner and outer conflict. May you live in peace and harmony with all living beings. And just repeat in your mind these or the words that resonate with you better. May I be safe and secure. May I be peaceful in body, mind and heart. May I be free from inner and outer conflict. May I live in peace and harmony with all living beings. Now perhaps thinking of someone you care for, a friend, a loved one, someone who's very close to you. Try picturing that person in your mind, sitting right next to you. Maybe you also wish them peace and harmony and wellness, security. You can repeat these words to them as well. May you be safe and secure. May you be peaceful in body, mind and heart. May you be free from inner and outer conflict. May you live in peace and harmony with all living beings. Now as you extend these words of kindness to others in your community, your friends, your family, maybe your co-workers, you can repeat the same words, or remember you can always find words that resonate more. Thinking of the group that you're close to, your friends, family, co-workers, or any other communities you belong to. Repeat or listen to these words. May you be safe and secure. May you be peaceful in body, mind and heart. May you be free from inner and outer conflict. May you live in peace and harmony with all living beings. Now, thinking of anyone who might currently suffer in any conflicts, wars. Anyone and everyone, could be even animals, who are currently suffering of not having peace and safety. Perhaps you can find it in your heart to also send them the same words of loving kindness. Or, of course, your own words, your own wishes for their safety and peace, security, wellness. To those who suffer right now in wars and conflicts, may you be safe and secure. May you be peaceful in body, mind and heart. May you be free from inner and outer conflict. May you live in peace and harmony with all living beings. And if you are the one currently suffering from effects of war or conflict, feel free to put your hand on your heart and send these words to yourself. You deserve the peace and safety and security. And there are plenty of people who wish you to have that as well. So just listen or repeat the words quietly in your mind. And let yourself feel for a moment these wishes, the loving kindness sent to you and everyone. May I be safe and secure. May I be peaceful in body, mind, and heart. May I be free from inner and outer conflict. May I live in peace and harmony with all living beings. Now let the words just simply sink in. Let your heart open. Let this peace flow through you and out into the world. May you embody the compassion and non-violence. And may all beings be free from suffering and live in peace. May we all remember that peace is always possible. Now, before finishing meditation, let yourself get back to the body sensation and pay attention to how it feels to be in your body right now. Remember to take care of your body, take care of yourself and those you love. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes, take some deep breaths, maybe move or stretch. And let us all remember that peace is always possible and that we all deserve to live in peace, free of suffering, of violence. I wish us all a peaceful International Day of Peace. Take care, and I'll see you next time.